my YouTube family. Today we are going to learn 3D visualization of amino acid sequence of any gene by using PYMOL software. So what is PYMOL software? It is basically a premium software, but it gives 30 days free trial. If you can complete your work in just 30 days, then it is the best opportunity you can avail right now. Otherwise you have to pay for it, or if you can crack it, then go for it. Alright, let's start our tutorial. The input query for PYMOL software is in the form of PDB file, which we have to extract from Swiss model. How would we extract PDB file? I will taught you in my another video, and also share the link in description. Okay, for starting this software, first you have to input. Just open a PDB file. I have already run my Swiss model and extracted PDB file from that software. Let's insert exon 5. Open. This is the 3D model of exon 5 of RNX1 gene. Now if you wanna show the whole sequence of this model, you have to move to the right bottom of this page. Just click on S, and here is the whole amino acid sequence. Now if you want to modify this sequence, or you want to highlight any residue, then you have to select your residue of interest here. Like if I want to select 266 residue T, I just select it, and here is the place or location where you can do all the changes related to this residue. If you want to show something like stakes or the structure of this residue, you can select stakes here, and you can easily visualize this structure. Now if you want to change the color of it, just select your residue, move towards the color, and select your favorite color like red, or it could be anyone. You can also move this structure by using your touchpad in your laptop, or if you are using your computer, you can move it by clicking. Okay, that's all. You can clearly visualize this residue. Okay, if you want to label this residue, you have to move on this L like here, and you have to click on residue. Here is the labeled structure of this residue. You can also label it as just one letter name or symbol like this. Also mention the chain of this residue. Okay, now let's move towards how to save this picture. Just move towards the file, click on here, and then export image as PNG. This is the format in which we are saving this picture. Just click on save PNG image as, and select the location where you want to save this image. Give it a name like RNX exon 5. Now save it. That's all. Here is our image. Just open it. This is the image. That's all.